Dear student, today's topic sexual reproduction and previous class discussion on different types sexual reproduction, what vegetative reproduction, artificial vegetative reproduction. But here today discussion sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? The sexual reproduction involve formation of male and female gamete by the same individual of opposite sex. Means different type of organs is called sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is three types. Sexual reproduction is three types. First, pre-fertilization. Second, fertilization. Third, post-fertilization. The first, pre-fertilization. What is the pre-fertilization? Pre-fertilization event or fertilization are the event of sexual reproduction prior to the fusion of gametes are referred as pre-fertilization event. Gametogenesis and gametes transfer are two main pre-fertilization. What is the pre-fertilization again? Fertilization event are the event of the sexual reproduction prior to the fusion of gamete of the gamete are referred. Means when any male and female body referred to या released to gamete is called pre-fertilization event. Pre-fertilization event. That's clear. Pre-fertilization two types: gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Pre-fertilization is two types. First, gametogenesis. Second, gamete transfer. What is the gametogenesis? This process of gamete formation in sexually organism. Gamete are haploid structure. Haploid condition. What is the haploid? N condition. Yani when N is a haploid. N is a haploid. N haploid structure such as antherzoids. Antherzoids is a plant and animals is called sperm and female gametes is called egg or ovum. Second, gamete transfer. Gamete in all heterogametic species are of two types, male and female. Where present the male and female, the gamete are haploid. Haploid is a young and such as pteridophyta, fungi, gymnospermy, angiospermy, and most of the body of animal is a diploid condition. Dear student, what is the haploid and diploid? Diploid condition is a n number of chromosomes and it is a heterogeneous. When 2n is a diploid, is a homogeneous condition. There is the two functions of pre-fertilization is the gametogenesis and gamete transfer. Gametogenesis only when referred to gamete and gamete transfer when gamete transfer in any body, male or female, is called gamete transfer. Dear student, the fertilization. The main example and main definition of fertilization, successful transfer and coming together of gametes is essential for the most critical event in sexual reproduction. The fertilization, the fusion of male and female gamete is called zygamy and zygamy formation of diploid zygote. Dear student, it is the most popular and the main function of fertilization in all plant or animal body. But here most fertilization is larger and larger animal and larger plant body successfully transferred and good transferred and their birth generation increase genetically birth determined. Here the fertilization is two types, external and internal. External means outside of the body and internal is a inner side of the body. The most suitable example external fish. Dear student, fish, amphibian, frog in water medium. Amphibian, frog and fish is when gametes release in water medium, the female body is captured the sperm of our body. Then fertile, after some time, the fertile condition of body, female body, is called external. In most aquatic organisms, such as majority of algae, bony fishes, occurs outside the body, example in water medium. Dear student, internal is outside of the body. Internal in internal medium, dear student, in this method, in only plant such as bryophyta, animal, all plant body. Internal means when the sexual reproduction, only fertilization occur in internal side, internal inner body of animal and plant, such as the likely example and very good example of human body, such as the Homo sapiens and human bodies, such as any man and woman. In the cross sexology and the fertilization in each other, male and female gametes and eggs or ovum, and the fertile in internal fertilization. Third number, post-fertilization events. A diploid zygote is formed as a result of fertilization in organism. External fertilization zygote is formed in the external medium. In internal fertilization zygote formed inside the body of the organism. Events in sexual reproduction after the formation of zygote are called post-fertilization. Dear student, post-fertilization after in the process of development of embryo from the zygote is called embryogenesis. Embryogenesis following the plant for fertilization, ovary develop into the fruit and ovule. Always the plant of embryogenesis develop the fruit. In this the evaluated condition of the post-fertilization. Post-fertilization always the presenting the ovulation nature in the seed inside and the nature seed the posterior and the next generation. Dear student, in animal the zygote start developing soon after the formation. Animals may be oviparous. Dear student, it is the last process of the post-fertilization event in the sexual reproduction, and the last process and when develop the post-fertilization. Post-fertilization in next generation become and next generation transfer in any gametes. Thank you.